The most beautiful and easiest way to make cup soda soap is by using the semi-hot process method. See the perfect fluid batter ready for molding, and the best part, the clean unmolding and the beautiful finished soda soap that come out strong, smooth and market ready. If you ever struggle with getting the right texture or perfect finish, this video is for you. Stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss the final results. Get your pen and notes and let's get started. Let's move straight into the main production. All these are the ingredients I will be using for today's production. We have soda ash, we have caustic soda, we have foam booster, we have silicates, we have our mold, we have our turn stick, we have our whisk, we have our empty dry bowl. Now, first thing first, we'll be dissolving our caustic soda into 600 ml of clean water. As you add the caustic soda, you continue stirring it gently. You add gently and you continue stirring. Remember, caustic soda is corrosive, so deal with caustic soda by protecting yourself. Wear your glove and mix gently. So after adding, you set it aside. Then the next thing we are adding is our soda ash. The other part of 600 ml of clean water is hot water. So to tell you that you are going to warm the other part of the water to make it hot. After, then you bring it down, add your soda ash into it. After adding soda ash, you stir it very well to the soap. This is semi-hot process of making soda soap. So you must make all your ingredients be at the same temperature and make sure it's hot. Then the next ingredient we are adding into the soda ash solution is sodium sulfate. Add your sodium sulfate and continue stirring it. Just put your eye on the screen, you will see all the measurements on the screen. As you add, you continue stirring it. Stir it until all the granules dissolve in the hot water. Remember, we used 1.2 liters of hot water. 1.2 liters, you divide it into 2. So the half part of it is for caustic soda, which is light solution. The other part of it is for other ingredients like soda ash, sodium sulfate, and calcium carbonate. Now we are adding our calcium carbonate into the solution. So as you add, then you continue stirring it. Stir it together until everything dissolves completely. After adding your calcium carbonate, you will see that the solution is beginning to like a kind of giving you this creamy texture because of the calcium carbonate added to it. Then you stir it until everything dissolves and you set it aside. Do you know we now have an ebook for Africa Soda Soap / Azuma Blue. This is ebook where you will get all our complete ingredients and step-by-step guide on how to make soda soap from scratch. It's beginner friendly and it also takes you into advanced level. Just contact me on WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp number on the screen. Come into my WhatsApp and you will get yours at very affordable price. Then the next thing we are doing now is to add my hot oil into my mixing bowl. You can see I also warm this oil to make it hot. We'll be using bleached palm oil. This oil was bleached with chemicals. I use chemicals to bleach this oil. You can check the video on how to bleach palm oil on the screen. Just click into it and watch the complete video guide that will guide you on how to bleach your oil with chemical or with the fire. Then what I'm adding into my oil is my lye solution. Lye solution, I am adding it gradually, and as I add into it, I'm mixing it until I will add all the lye solution into my bleached palm oil. Remember, lye solution, caustic soda, mix in clean water. That is our lye solution. And also the other solution, including oil, are of the same temperature. So as I add, I continue stirring it. And also, if you want to use any other oil, you can use PKO, you can use tallow oil also. Make sure any oil, any types of oil you are using is hot before you start adding it. Don't mix hot lye solution with cold oil. It will give your batter separation. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share this video. And you can see that I'm adding my soda ash solution, sodium sulfate and calcium carbonate solution gradually until I will add all the ingredients. Then after adding it all, then I'll continue stirring it. I'll make sure I stir it together for some minutes before adding the next ingredient. And the next ingredient I'm adding is my sodium silicate. Sodium silicate will adding up this soap, and also it will give it a kind of shiny effect after you mold your soap. It will make it look shiny and beautiful. This is the work of sodium silicate. So I add my sodium silicate and I continue stirring it. I stir it together very well before adding my foam booster. The next thing I'm adding now is my foam booster. I added foam booster like 40 to 50 mils also. Add my foam booster. You can add any foam booster of your choice. I add it and I continue stirring it. At this point, if you want to add your perfume, you can go ahead and add your fragrance into it. But this is soda soap. I don't think you need any fragrance on this soap. And you can use any mode of your choice, but today I'll be using this type of mode. This is cup soda soap. You know that we use semi-hot process in order to get this fluid batter, because fluid batter is very easy to pour into the mold. And when you use semi-hot process in making your soda production, it will give you fluid batter that is very easy to pour into the mold. So you add your fluid batter into the mold, it will make your soda soap come out beautifully. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If so, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. It will always notify you when I drop another tutorial just like this. Take a look at it now. Adding my butter, you have to be very fast about it. So you add all your butter into your mold, and after adding it, you allow it to set for 24 hours before you unmold it. 24 hours later, you unmold your soap, and you can see the outcome of this soap is strong. It come out very neat and beautiful. And this is the work of semi-hot process. And also this semi-hot process is a kind of profitable soda soap. You can see what our 1 liter of bleached palm oil can give us now. I use just 1 liter of bleached palm oil. You see it come out neat without any crack, beautiful and neat soda soap. So if you follow all the procedure and you use the same semi-hot process, at the end of 24 hours, you should get something exactly like this. And I hope you have learned in today's production. If so, kindly give this video a thumb up, subscribe into my channel if you have not done so, like, and if you have any question, go into the comment section, drop your question, and I will be right there to answer to all your questions. You can see all our beautiful soda soap. It come out neat and clean. This is another lucrative business that you can start in this year 2026. You can start it at very comfort of that your home. This business does not require thousands of naira before you start it. Just make sure you start doing something. With all these free videos that you are watching on this channel, you should be able to start somewhere. Don't wait until you build a factory before you start. Start somewhere, and at the end of this year, you will see that you'll be able to point to something that this is how far you have gone. Remember, this is Empower to Earn. Here we empower you to earn money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.